who you do good for, make e not kill you for your good. Just pray sometimes, if una dey do good, more na dey look person una dey do good for, because I know some not be who you do good for na go thank you, but just pray say who you do good for make e not kill you. It's me, your one and only Lady J. And before I start this story, I beg my quick tell you now. If you know so you never subscribe, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. My people, this story when I want to talk about today, it carry leg, because a lady cry out. She say, I beg, make I help and talk this story. Make it pour it out, because the thing, it dey really dey shop her. It dey shop her for inside belly, no know how he want go about am again. Now he say, I beg, Lady J, let me bring this story out, because me need advice from una. He want make una advise her whether na wrong thing that he do for friend, whether na bad thing that she do. So my people, make una sit down, listen to this story where I beg. If una dey listen, I beg make una not fast forward down. Make una listen well. Whether what she do na wrong thing or na bad thing. So my people, listen to this story. So he say this are friend. They don't know for a long time. This will not be 1 year friendship. This one are 10 years friendship. 10 years, my people. So she say in with this our friend, they don't pass 10 years old, more than 10 years in here. I not put some more than 10 years. So this our friend, you don't forget one pikin before for another man. He say even she, nice first introduce that man to that our friend that time. So you say everything can do okay, she can't born one pikin for the man, but then you not gonna work out for them. According to this our friend, he say now she now they cause their problem, because she always they do say now ain't get money pass all those things for the friend man. So maybe na money wey take spoil the guy, not call the same money they give the guy. And the guy not be person maybe they ask for my money before. Say but she now cause am. This guy can't begin they ask her money. She can't they also they give this guy, But later now she say she not feel continue again because she already born for the guy and the guy don't want to still marry him. So from there they can't cut off. So now she can still call this her friend again. Can they call her beg? He need man for city where you dey. He need man. No, I got tell her say I beg. He not fit because you not serious. You can't say I beg. He need, So he says so as he dey beg her. Now she can say, he gets one of your husband friend, So this your husband friend. He say he need a woman. You understand? So he can't tell him. But her age does still go fast more. You understand? So now she can tell her say, you sure say you serious because this guy is saying really serious, And the guy to see they beg the lady, say I beg, he needs a serious relationship. He say so now you can introduce two of them together. Say whether na bad thing, now she do, he can introduce them. So when they just introduce them, now when the boy call the girl, he can't tell the girl say he really want serious, he really need relationship. The girl can't tell and say he no want relationship, he want marriage. She not be small picky, he not be natural, you can't do relationship things. He need man who want put her for house. Serious thing that he want. He said now the boy can't tell her say, now what he want to, he not see come play. So the girl say come tell the boy say make for him if for say more na fair day too. Not be say later when I will come after I don't marry now kata I will come day when I not even know each other my people because this one I see through phone they never see you. He said the girl say he need marriage. She can say call her friend. You need that like that. He said that so he need them. He don't want anything friendship. He just want maybe say na marriage. So now you can say okay if na so you want her my friend no problem. You can leave them. They can't plan marriage. They never see you my people. More na listen well this story so this one a true life story not be saying na fake. And the girl can say na so he want them. And the boy can say Now so you see one time. The girl go say una sure. They say na so they one time. I go say okay. They come whether not because the guy, they quick see girl where they date her mommy, I don't know because they quick see the toes, they not they grip for him. And so I see you see this one, I say even though I beg he must enter. That's that the girl go say, you sure? He said na waiting he wants. He asked the girl, you sure? He said na waiting he wants. Even though they never see. And so he want them. And the girl go say, okay, no problem. They can start to my people. Mona listen well. If na a bad thing a friend do, una go see right am for my for the comment section for my YouTube there. For down below, I beg, make una chook mouth for this thing for me. If na wrong thing, na she do. Say you can introduce them. The girl can't talk the day where she want come see the guy. So two of them come. The day when she want even come, this her friend say come cook, wait for her because tell us what you want eat. He said na fried rice and meat pie. Make it do and wait for her. He say come prepare because they plan with the boy. Say how you do and go buy a ring where you go. The boy because he already buy a ring. He want surprise and if you just come in, go just engage him. This one is the first time when you want to come see the guy. Or this one not be say nah. Say they don't first see you. The guy can't they plan. You can't buy a ring. The girl never know. This our friend not say tell the girl. He can't come. So we can't really do one like that. So the girl can't come. The girl can't talk the day when she want come. Now she can't come with my people. As she come, this our friend saying cook, wait for her. My friend will never see for how many years. This our friend, not be say 12 then I age mate. Now Tina they call her because the girl is senior now. But 12 them they play, in they respect them. Whether they respect senior person. 12 them they like that. He says, so this our friend can't come. As they come, they come, 12 they come, in with the boy can't see. Meanwhile, before she come, she can't tell this her friend, say, if he come, not just saying go let this boy shop bonbon. Now the African tell her say why? He said because they want to look at him, want for victim again, all those things, You want me if he marry and you want to know whether he really serious. That's African tell her say I beg you, if you want to let her enter your Jerusalem, let her enter. I'm gonna say okay, now she come. As she come now, this her friend come cook, wait for him, do everything for him. This boy. They tell the girl, say, I bet me do this one. The girl will see help him. He can't come more. Even the girl has now for engage the girl. This our friend house. When they come, so you can't carry her come greet. You can't carry her come the girl house. As they reach there, the girl come prepare, wait for them, do everything. The girl come, he eat everything. Now later the boy lay down, he engage the girl. As he engage the girl come there, her friend come there happy. He come say, the boy really serious, so come they thank that her friend. So they come they plan marriage now. Say one go the boy because one go put money for the girl head. They come they do everything. This our friend, they there for her. They do everything, make sure say everything they okay. He really they happy for him. Make this marriage make you work out. Everything. Now this our friend come they happy, come they thank him. You can't say really happy if not be you. If not be you, my friend, if you not see this man now, that Italy way in day frustration, this that. Thank God. You better say God send you come my life. God send you because now you first see making see get one picking before. Nah. You just introduce another person for her. And meanwhile, before she introduced this boy for this girl, I forgot to talk that one. He say people, many people tell us, may not introduce this girl because this girl, if he come. If he can't use you with this boy, can't turn to an enemy, because this guy not trust him. As Africa say, the way they beg him, the way they call him, may help him. Now everything can work out to this boy. When this boy wants to put money for this girl head, this our friend saying do everything. Now he cook till daybreak. This our friend not do anything. Share the food, give people, make they help him. He say she cook, she do everything, make sure say everything dey okay for this girl. He dey there for the marriage. He mean well for this her friend. Wetin make her come cry out now? He say everything dey okay. So later this girl come go pack her things for Italy, come join the boy for the city where the boy dey. Everything. So come pack her things, come close. Come say one close her house. That I never close the house. So that been one day now after she don't come. So you can tell the boy say I want to go Italy. Meanwhile, she get this OB fisted, whether they call 00 for Italy. Now she not get any Italian passport to her, but she dey tell the boy that her passport dey with her, according to this her friend. Then I got to say, why you dey lie? Because you know this her friend, you know. Because why you dey lie? Tell the no, you not get passport. Why you dey lie? Say you get passport. Now normal OB fisted now you get. So he said this girl tell her say and her passport dey with her more. This that say now you can rest. He said so. The one day now this girl come say he want go Italy. We want go. We say now Igbo now he married say get paper. So he say with the Igbo not the do anything again. The Igbo come take her as a papa now. This African tell her say you sure? Because say you know how to me you can't break this boy out. So this boy don't already love you. He don't marry you. Don't go put money. So me not do any waka. We say no. Can't go Italy. As he go Italy now, meanwhile, this husband can't lose a house when he day. As he lose the house when he day, he can't look for house. As they look for house, he can't that period now they get a travel, go Italy. So as he travel go Italy now, this boy can call and say, this woman just go Italy, tell her say one go rent his house at. And now Igbo house now tell her saying day. What did he go do for Igbo house? He don't know. So this afraid converse. He can't call and say, what did they worry you? You can't say that voice record. What did they worry you? When you go Igbo house, when you tell your husband say you they go rent your house, that say me they'll pay you so that maybe they support her for us when you want carry. No, that's now you go they do. Now she can the vest for this her friend though. Say can really fight for the boy. You can the vest for this her friend. Can they call many people when know this her friend say see this girl want start again. Oh. This girl he not tell her like this. So you know I mean what make her ashamed. Can they fight for the boy? Tell the boy say make the boy not worry. Say everything go down. The boy can't tell the girl say this wife so tell her saying get belle. So I go carry belle go Igbo house. Now this her friend come the quarrel with her. Say why you go Igbo? He said the Igbo just the help him, they sweep. Now this her friend come tell her say that's why you want they from where you did they go they sweep for Igbo for Italy. When you leave Igbo, they come back. See now so you tell this her friend. You can't tell this your husband say if she come back, no worry. He said they get the call I no pick. Say come tell her say no pick. If you don't come back, may you really show and say you be man. So that make you put her for the position where she did. Instead of waiting he tell him. He no ever tell her one day say make he leave the girl. He say no get one day where they tell her say leave this girl. Or he can't tell her say this girl not go fit born pikin. He say no get one day where they tell the boy like that. In the fight for the boy, me marriage, they okay. He say now waiting in the fight for her. He not fight for her, say make he not talk, say make the boy come leave the girl. He say no know where those talk for the come out. He said could don't believe say when this guy come even the verse for this her friend. Say they join the man. Say because why he join the man? He want make a marriage work out. You know I make you use this boy to play. Because he know say she herself don't first see something before. So at least this one a marriage. Benny go they make one parable say if we join hand together, now it is the good. And be obona asame kobona, bona asame kobona. Ekwemiti ya do. So now the everything go they work out way. He says so. This her friend now. Come the verse for us say you they join my husband they fight because say no you know they join now. And they only help you. He no want maybe say this boy can't feel bad because now she introduced you to this boy. I say now what he do, you know nothing about him. Now he do. Could you believe say when this girl come back, he say this girl not dey call her again. This girl come dey vex. That period, the girl come still lost the papa. So the girl come dey vex. Say, you see her now? She put na don't kill the papa now. This, that. I say come dey vex na joke. Na joke. This girl not call am again. This girl come dey vex. Say you join the husband, all those things. He don't know say na another thing. Now this girl dey vex for. This girl want come talk. He say your husband say, he come go tell another person. Say your husband say make you run for the girl. Make you not talk to the girl again. Now I say, what he do you? He said, now she can't send the friend voice record. Say, and that's how you be. What he do you? When your husband will tell you, say, make you run for her. He said, the girl tell her, say, because your husband thought, say, you talk, say, she not go feel born pikin. Say, she not bad friend. This, that. She can't even say a lie before. Until when the boy currently they talk to another person, they tell her say, make his wife, you know what, see his wife with that girl again. Say that girl a bad person. That is the girl who introduced two of them. So say the girl a bad person. Say even this her wife now call they tell another person now say even when they want call the girl, if you want to tell the girl say call the girl, he said if your husband you hear the girl, then the husband go the verse. Now she comes, what did she do? He say your husband say the girl talks, the girl talks, say he tell her say he wants to scatter the marriage. And they still tell her say make he leave his wife, make he not follow her. That is the best way to introduce them, oh, my people. Una don't see this kind of thing before. Una don't see this kind of thing before. He say God in heaven go bear her weakness. In the fight, make the marriage dey okay. In all those so the boy be. The boy now don't scatter this girl and this her friend. That is our friend we don't know for more than 10 years. And as she even introduced man when he born for. That man they carry that girl like egg. You never one day even thought say this girl don't come between them once. He say, so why now? Waiting will make her tell the boy, say the friend. He said never even follow her friend, go daughter place once. So what you come now? He talk say the girl get belly. He say he not believe. The her friend come tell her say since she say she get belly, you carry her go daughter. Mona go confirm. Because he say no. He say because the girl not show her many results for test. He said that he come tell her say okay, if you come back, you carry her go daughter. Mona go check her. This boy that can use this girl they settle. They talk now say that this girl now they scatter a marriage. Say make your wife not near this girl again. Make you not talk to the girl again. He said the girl a bad person. He said so the girl tell her say the girl not go fit born pikin. Say the girl tell her say make you run for her, make you not marry him again. This girl say God. He say he naked swear. Say God when he tell this boy this thing. Now dream. Say you be like saying the dream. Say the boy want to talk again. The boy say the boy they tell the girlfriend for four say you never know this girl. You never know him. If you know him, you go run for her. That one say our friend when you don't know for how many days they say no no. Person when me well for you give you woman. This boy say the girl run for her more. This girl saying cry, shed tears. Say when it tell you say may you leave your wife. Say no get one day wait to tell this boy. Say make you leave your wife. In me well for this boy. In they happy. Even not they happy. You can't carry that so far. Even the marriage day, say rice when the back can't even give us somebody say cook rice not even good. Now rice now she even use they cook for them. Say what did the girl want? When they drive there for house, when they find where to want pack her things, now the girl has to still go pack things put. He say why she you can't talk say make you leave her friend. He said the thing they paid her. He say I beg my people make una advise her. He said because he don't lick himself for this boy. Make him return that course because he no go fit. Because he me well for this boy. This boy now don't scatter him with her friend now. He said make your wife not near this girl again. He said the day when the wife go measure the girl name for that house, he said go drive and make go meet the girl. Now be the lie when they put for this girl. Now so some maybe my people. Now so some maybe. Pray, make you who you do good for, make you not kill you for your good. You say no get one the way to scatter them. You no get one the way to tell us say this girl no go fit born pikin. You say no know where this talk for the combo. He say he want talk again. He say the girl they feel say he want use when he introduce two of them. If they feel say maybe he want use the girl may end up before. You know the say he want marry her. My people, I think when I listen to the story at the beginning. When he said these people never able see whether or not they plan marriage. So when you know say I'm married, you want marry him. How you got to know you were not that person? You not even date him. You don't say the girl they feel say you don't want marry her before. He say how? Person will be say not they plan marriage when I never see. So she want to scatter that kind of marriage. He said the boy say if they feel say the girl be the feel say not go take her serious. As going to say take her serious, they pay now. This girl they husband ass. He said this boy when come they run the man too. This is the boy what don't suffer when be say woman not the even look his face. And listen now you can't know why be say all those girls people they talk say they talk too much say na lie. If you don't know, he say na bad thing he do. Na bad thing that she do. In me well for her before. This boy can't turn against her. He say he does swear for him. He say until this boy go talk say na lie for his head. He say he can never return that course. I didn't know. I swear they be. He say he go make sure say he deal with that boy. Because he don't know one, he don't know two. He say God in heaven go bear her weakness. He don't get one day to tell this boy say this girl don't go fit born pikin. He said because if this girl never got daughter before, wetin go make her come talk that kind of thing? He said na wetin he want more na help am. Make una advise her for wetin she go do. And this afraid now come be another person will be say, you don't know wetin you want call am. That kind of thing, you're supposed to call your friend and ask her. He said you not call her. She herself even they carry face for this girl. He said, so my people, make una advise her for what she go do. So anybody will see this video, I beg una help me share am, make you reach everybody hand, so that make una help me advise this girl because she go see una comment. If na voice record I want to send to anything at all, where be say you want to send, if na a comment, I beg we could leave on a comment for down below so that make she see am, make she know what she go do next. Say because the thing they pay her, say he do good for these two people. They can't care for her good. They can't use lie to drive her. He says the girl they poke. No, the girl say no. They even they go their house. You know they even now they even call and say if they get problem. Oh, he go even they join the boy. He said no get one day where they tell and say make you leave the girl. Now my marriage work out for them. Say na ain't deal. We no say na bad thing that she do, and now they even call her. Say no get one day where they tell this boy whether na dreaming for tell am or na real life or you don't know. Say so I beg make una advise her for what she go do. So thank you everybody, and you where they listen to me now. I beg share this video and comment and send a voice record so that she will see everything. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady Jill. Share this video for me. Thank you and God bless you. And put thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Bye.